Hello friends, welcome back to the new video of Skill Math. So today we are going to discuss the chapter triangles and some problems based on triangles. So without delay, let us go into the video. So the first question is on your screen, that is, in a parallelogram ABCD, the angles A and C are obtuse. Points X and Y are taken on the diagonal BD such that the angles XAD and YCB are right angles. Prove that XA is equal to YC. So given a parallelogram is drawn like this, and hope you know all the properties of parallelograms. So in a parallelogram we'll be having opposite sides equal and opposite angles will be also equal and opposite sides will be parallel also. Opposite sides also will be parallel. So now what they asked to prove is, first they said to name the triangle ABCD. So let me name it A, B, C and D. Now we are having a diagonal drawn. So diagonal is nothing but from any vertex it is drawn to the opposite vertex. So that is called the diagonal in any quadrilateral. So a diagonal is drawn like this, and from A points are drawn, that is X and Y. So I can take any point like this. So here also I will have from C any point on the diagonal which I have to take. So I took here and I will name this as X and this as Y over here. Now what we are having is to prove that XA, so this line is equal to YC, this line. So in order to get that, what we have to do, let us see. Now I am writing the working part here. Consider triangle XAD and triangle YCB. So here this is XAD, this triangle I will name it as 1. So I am having 1 and 2 triangles like this. Now here we have to see the congruency. So you know this line is equal to this line, that is AD is equal to BC. AD is equal to BC. You can write opposite sides of parallelogram are equal, and we have angle ADX. So this angle will be equal to angle CB and this angle will be Y, angle CBY, because alternate angles. Now you may get what is alternate angles. Alternate angles are nothing but when two lines are drawn and one transversal is drawn in between. So these will be the alternate angles, that will be interior and exterior alternate angles. So here our two parallel lines are AD and BC, and we will be having angle XDA and angle CBY. So I will write here angle ADX or x dy x dA is equal to angle CBY. Alternate angles. So in bracket I am writing the reason also. Now I am having another thing to prove. So now I have proved this line AD is equal to BC, and these two angles, angle X DA and angle YBC. So I should prove another thing that may be angle or side in order to fulfill my congruency. So here we have to see the question, that is here we are given the angles A and C are obtuse. So now we'll got the third part also, that is this angle will be equal to this angle. So you can see here this angle will be equal to this angle. So I will write angle, it is angle XAD is equal to angle YCB, each 90 degree. So now I got my congruency all parts. So now I will be writing here triangle XAD is congruent to triangle YCB by angle side angle. You are having here angle side angle. Or here angle side angle. So like that you are having. Now we got the congruency, so I can also write that XA is equal to YC by CPCTC. You know what is CPCTC? That is congruent parts of corresponding parts of congruent triangles are congruents. Okay, yeah, we are having XCI is equal to YC, and that's what they asked to prove. So we have proved it. Let us go to the next question. So the question is on your screen. In the following figures, the sides AB and BC are median, and the median AD of triangle ABC are respectively equal to the sides PQ and QR and median PS of the triangle PQR. Prove triangle ABC and triangle PQR are congruent. So here a pair of triangles are given to us, and they are asking to prove that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR. So that's what they are asking to prove. So let us prove it. Now here I am drawing diagrams of the triangles in order to mark them exactly. So yeah, I got the triangles, and medians are drawn for each and every triangle. So these two triangles. So I hope you know what is a median. A median is nothing but when it is drawn from one vertex to another side, it should cut that another side into two equal parts. So that is called a median. This is A, this is B, D and C. and this is P Q S R. Now we have to prove triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR. Here it is given AB is equal to PQ. It is given in the question only, and BC is equal to QR and BC, so this whole one is equal to QR, and what else is given is medians are also equal to each other. Medians are also equal to each other. So now you may think that as 3 are given we will prove by SSS, but no, this line should be given as they said triangle ABC, not only triangle ADB. So that's the matter here, we cannot write so. Now let us think how to solve it. We are having BC is equal to QR and BD is equal to QS and DC is equal to SR. So BC is equal to QR, that we already know. BD is equal to QS, so that also we should prove. I will say how I have proven it. Now you know AD is a median, and here a line is like this and it is a median, and same way here also, if this is x length, this is also x length, and here a median is drawn, so this part will be equal, same way this parts also will be equal. So that is the matter I have done here, and I have written them. When those two parts are equal, when I divide them also they will be equal. So I have divided them into two equal parts because the median is drawn. Now I will take triangle ABD and triangle PQS. Now triangle ABD and triangle PQS, and then I will take these triangles and then I will prove the whole triangle congruent. So I am going by step. Now here we are having AB is equal to PQ, so I will write here AB is equal to PQ. I will write in red color AB is equal to PQ, and what else we are having is BD is equal to QS, BD is equal to QS, is equal to QS, and next we are having this median AD is equal to PS. AD is equal to PS. Now triangle ABD is congruent to triangle PQS. Triangle ABD is congruent to triangle PQS by SSS. By SSS. So side. So this is sides, this is side, and this is side. So we have proved that congruency. So now let us move on to the next triangles, that is triangle ADC and triangle PSR. Triangle ADC and triangle PSR. Now what we are having is again the median, and this line we are having equal as it is. So DC we are having SR, AC is equal to PR and AD is equal to PS. I'll write here. We are having AD is equal to PS, AC is equal to PR, DC is equal to SR. Again by SSS, these two triangles are congruent. That is, triangle ADC is congruent to triangle PSR. Now we have proven that this half triangle that is divided by median are equal. Now let us see how we can prove the whole triangle is equal. Just carefully observe the diagram. We are having here BC is equal to BD plus DC. So this whole BC line is nothing but BD plus DC, and I am writing here step by step so that you will understand. I am just wrapping it. BC is equal to BD plus DC. I hope you understood till here. Now here we have proved that BD is nothing but QS. So you can see over here BD is nothing but QS. So in place of BD I'll be writing QS, and in place of DC here I proved that DC is nothing but SR. Here I proved, so I am writing here SR. Now is equal to QS plus SR. Now just come to the diagram. You are having QS plus SR. QS plus SR is nothing but this whole line QR. So this whole line QR we are having. So now I can write this BC is equal to QR. So now after proving this, I am proving triangle ACB is congruent to triangle PQR, what they asked in the question. Now let us prove it. AB is equal to PQ. So AB is equal to PQ and BC is equal to QR and PQ is equal to AC. I hope you understood. AB is equal to PQ, BC is equal to QR, AC is equal to PR. Now triangle ACB is congruent to triangle PQR by SSS. Now here triangle ABC or ACB is congruent to triangle PQR by SSS. You can write hence proved at last. So now we have proved. Let us go on to the next question. The question is on your screen. That is, again here a diagram is given here, and in the following figure OA is equal to OC and AB is equal to BC. So I will draw the diagram here. And we are having this line. From here it is drawn. Yeah. Now let us name this A, B, O, C and D. Now here it is given OA is equal to OC and AB is equal to BC. Now they asked to prove angle AOB. So angle AOB, this angle should be equal to 90 degree. They are asking to prove. So let us think how to solve it. Now I am considering triangle ABO and triangle OCB. Triangle ABO and triangle CBO or OCB. Now here what congruent parts we can prove, let us see. I can write AB is equal to BC, AO is equal to OC and BO is equal to BO, as it is common for these two triangles. So now I have proved by SSS. I am writing here AB is equal to BC, AO is equal to CO. So for this both I am writing in brackets given. It is given in the question itself. And OB is equal to OB, it is common. It is common for both the triangles. It is common for both the triangles. Now triangle ABO is congruent to triangle CBO by SSS. By SSS, these two triangles are congruent. Now by CPCTC, I can write angle ABO is equal to angle CBO. Now I have proved these two triangles as congruent. Now on placing one over the another, I will get angle ABO is equal to angle CBO, and similarly I will get angle COB. This angle is equal to this angle. So I am writing directly that step. Angle COB is equal to angle AOB. Angle COB is equal to angle AOB. But we know when we take a line and this whole angle, it will be equal to 180 degree according to the linear pair. So angle COB plus angle AOB is equal to 180 degree. In bracket you can write linear pair. Now if we consider triangle COB and triangle AOB as x, angle AOB as x, so automatically angle COB also will be x because they both are equal. So angle COB here x, it is x plus same angle AOB here we consider it as x is equal to 180 degree. I considered them both as x because they both are equal, is equal to 180 degree. X plus x is equal to 2x, which is equal to 180 degree. X is equal to, so it is equal to, x is equal to 180 by 2, 90 degree. X is nothing but angle AOB, which is equal to 90 degree. You know that angle AOB we considered as x and which is equal to 90 degree. So now what they asked to prove is angle AOB is equal to 90 degree, hence proved. We can write at last, hence proved. I am keeping tick for this one. Now what they are asking to prove is triangle AOD is equal to triangle DOC or COD. So here also we should prove the congruent parts. So before going into the second bit, I would like to let you know one thing. If like this. Our two lines are intersecting. So I'm drawing the exact one. So if one angle is 90 degree, you know that automatically all angles will be 90 degree. But how? If this is 90 degree, just consider only this part. So I am rubbing this one. Just consider only this one. Here we will be having this one as 90 degree according to the linear pair. So 180 minus 90, which is equal to 90. This one will get 90 degree. And now if you'll do for this part, you will get this angle also 90 degree according to linear, and if you'll take this part, this angle also will be equal to 90 degree. So that's what I want to explain it to you. Now here this same incident is happening in our question. So here one angle is 90 degree, so other angle also will be 90 degree. Same way the other two these angles also will be 90 degree. This angle also will be 90 degree. And now let us see what are their congruent parts to prove triangle AOD and COD. Triangle AOD and triangle COD. So now pause the video right over here and think how we are having these two triangles congruent. I hope you have done that. So I hope you have done. Now I am saying how. We have AO is equal to OC. AO is equal to OC. It is given. And same way we are having this angle 90 degree. So angle AOD is equal to angle DOC or COD. Angle AOD is equal to angle COD, each 90 degree. And at last we are having OD is equal to OD, as it is common for both the triangles. OD is equal to OD. I will write common. So now I have proved triangle AOD is equal to triangle COD by we are having this is side angle side criterion, SAS. Side angle side criterion. So we have proved. So now they ask the last one to prove, that is AD is equal to CD. So this they are asking to prove AD is equal to CD. As these two triangles are congruent, and when we place on one another, we will get AD is equal to CD. So third bit we can write AD is equal to CD by CPCTC. So AD is equal to CD by CPCTC, and we have proved all the parts of the question. So let us go on to the next question, the last question. Here a figure is given which is showing triangle ABC. So this whole is a triangle ABC, and AB is equal to AC. AB is equal to AC. So I am just drawing a diagram over here in order to clearly mark the characteristics or whatever it is given properties according to this question. Here we are having, and here we are having like this. Let us name it A, B, C, M and N respectively. So before you start a question, if a diagram is given, it's fine, or if diagram is not given and it is asked to given a draw a diagram, it is better to draw a diagram and write the informations available and represent them in on diagram, and then you can start the question. That will be more easier for you to solve the question and it will be a time saving. Okay, let's come back to the question. AB is equal to AC. AB is equal to AC, and M is a point on AB and N is a point on AC such that BM is equal to CN. BM is equal to CN. So that also let me write here. BM is equal to CN. The informations available I am writing over here. So now what I need to prove is, first here 4 bits are given and first bit AM is equal to AN. AM, okay, I am writing it on the next page. AM is equal to AN. We need to prove. TP is nothing but to prove. Now we know AB is equal to AC. The information is given in the question itself. AB is equal to AC. So in the question, let us know what is AB. This whole AB line is nothing but AM plus BM. I hope I am right. So when we add BM, this length, so I am drawing it till here. So this one and A to M, I will get this whole AB length. This whole AB length is nothing but AM plus BM. So I'll write AB nothing but AM plus BM, which is equal to, we are having AC. AC is nothing but AN plus NC. AC is nothing but AN plus NC. So air conditioner is nothing but AN plus NC. N plus Cartoon Network. So AN plus NC. Now here also given BM is equal to CN. Now in place of BN, I will rub and write CN, because BM is equal to CN. So BM will be, if 5 meter, CN also will be 5 meter. So now it is nothing but NC or CN, whatever it may be. Now here I am having both the sides NC and NC plus NC. I can simply cut off. So I will get AM is equal to AN. AM is equal to AN, and that's what they asked to prove. AM is equal to AN. So first one is done. Second one, it is a congruency proven part. Triangle AMC is congruent to triangle ANB. Triangle AMC is congruent to triangle ANB. So AMC, so this one, and triangle ANB, this one. It is better to take the triangles outside. So we are having triangle AMC. So one line is drawn like this, another line like this, and from here it is drawn like this. Same way ANB, it is like this. ANB. Let me write the name. A, we are having ANB and AMC. A, just a second. We are having AMC and A and B. Now what we are having is to prove these two triangles are congruent. Now here we have to see what parts we can prove them congruent. I am writing the side of the diagram only. We know AM is equal to AN. Just now we have proved here. AM is equal to AN. So I am writing. Here AM is equal to AN, and we are having angle MAC is equal to angle BAN. So angle MAC is equal to angle BAN. You may get what is the relationship between them. You know these both angles are A over here. So you can see the both angles are A, but I have splitted it in two triangles so that I got two triangles, but this is the common angle for both the triangles. So I will get angle MAC is equal to angle BAN is equal to angle BAN. So it is, you can write common angle. Now we are left with one part. We have to prove it, and we know AC is equal to AB because it is given in the question itself. Here you can see on my finger AB is equal to AC. So AB is equal to AC, it is given. Now triangle AMC is congruent to triangle ANB. We have proved the second part as well, that is this one. Now we have another two parts left to prove. BN is equal to CM. So BN, this one, is equal to CM. So BN is equal to CM. Just now we have taken these triangles. Here BN is equal to CM. On placing one over the another, I will get BN is equal to CM. So third part, BN is equal to CM by CPCTC. So I am writing it on the next page. BN is equal to CM by CPCTC. and we are left with another part, that is triangle BMC is congruent to triangle CNB. Triangle BMC, this triangle is congruent to triangle CNB. So I am taking the triangles again outside, it will be easier for us. Triangle BMC so I am drawing here triangle BMC, and what else we are given is triangle CNB. CNB, I am naming it MBC. BMC is congruent to CNB. CNB. So that's what they asked to prove. So we should prove that these two triangles are congruent. I'm just getting into the diagram so you can have a clear picture like this: BMCN and BC. BMCN and BC. Now let us think what we are having congruent parts in order to prove that they are congruent. We have BM is equal to NC. Here it is given in the information BM is equal to NC. So I will write here itself BM is equal to NC. BM is equal to NC, and we have to prove another two. We are having BC is equal to BC, so I can write them as they are two common. BC is equal to BC common, and this is given. And another thing we are having is MC is equal to NB. So you can see in the overall diagram, MC I will get as NB. So in this diagram we can see, as we have proved in the second bit, on placing this one on this one, on placing one on each other, we have MC is equal to NB. So that one is the leftover one. We have to write MC is equal to NB by CP CTC of second bit, or we can just leave it CP CTC. So now I have proved this triangle's congruency. Triangle BMC, triangle BMC is congruent to triangle CNB. Triangle BMC is congruent to triangle CNB, that we are having by SSS, side 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 by SSS. So that's all we proved. So thank you for watching my video, friends. Do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. In the next video we will be doing more sums, and in that next video we will be moving on to the another chapter that I will let you know in the next video. So thank you for watching my video. Do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. So we are very near to 50 subscribers, so kindly support my channel and subscribe to my channel and share it to your friends. Thank you for watching, friends. Thank you.